Hey there, fellow explorers! Welcome back to Code Colony. Today we are diving into the exciting world of online stores, and I am here to guide you step by step through setting up WooCommerce in WordPress and adding your very first product. Whether you are starting a brand new store or looking to enhance an existing one, this tutorial is just for you. So let's get started. First thing first, let's install WooCommerce. So head over to your WordPress dashboard and on the left sidebar, click Plugins and then Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. When you see it, click Install Now and then hit Activate. Now once it's installed, let's walk through the setup wizard. So click Setup My Store. Here we need to choose which description fits us best. So the first option is I am starting my business, which means you are new to e-commerce and setting up your first online store. Second option is I am already selling, which means you have already established your business and are either looking to enhance your online store or switch to WooCommerce. Now the third option is I am setting up a store for a client, which means you are a web developer or consultant creating a WooCommerce store for someone else. So we will go with the first option here. So click on Continue and next comes tell us a bit about your store. So first enter a name for your store. Here let us take any random name like Fresh Fit Teas. Don't worry, you can always change it later if you want. Next, choose the type of products or services you'll be selling. This helps tailor your store setup to your needs. Next, we are going to provide our store's location. It automatically fetches your location. Now this step is very crucial for setting up shipping options and tax calculation. And then finally, enter your email address. Now click Continue. Then you may or may not install these listed features. I will simply click Continue here and then it will ask to create an account. So since I already have a WooCommerce account, it is asking me to connect it. Therefore, I will click on Connect Your Account. Once we have finished the onboarding, we'll have the option to customize our store. Here you will see a vast list of themes and features, but we'll come to that later. Now, let's add our very first product. So click on Add New Products. Now you will be having various options here like physical product, variable product, group product, etc. And you can view more types by clicking View More Products. Here we are going with physical product. Now let's give our product a name. So I'll be giving custom t-shirt. Now in the product description, I'll just add a line like express your unique style with our customizable t-shirt and some dummy text. Okay, now in the product data you can see various options like simple product, group product, external product and variable product. Let it be simple product and then you can set the regular price for your product. Let us give 480 and you can always set a sell price for your product. So let's give a random price like 420 and then we come to the inventory options. Here you have the SKU field, which means stock keeping unit, and it is a unique ID which is given to each product. Here I am writing CUSTOM custom shirt 001. Now I'll click on stock management here and then you can just mention what is the quantity of the product you have in your stock. Here let's give 50 and then come to shipping. Here you can give the weight of your product and dimensions. Let's add a random dimension like 12 in length, 10 in width and 1 in height. Let's keep the shipping class as it is and then you'll have link products. I'll skip this and then finally we come to attributes. So these are pieces of information you want to give your product. Now as we have taken the example of t-shirt, we are going to add a color attribute. So let us write color in the name. I'll give random values like white, black, pink and yellow. Let's add another attribute like size. Here I will be adding small, medium and large. Then you'll have the option like advanced, get more options, Pinterest, etc. You also have a product short description field. You may or may not fill up this field, and here you'll have a product image. So click on set product image, and then we'll just drop an image of a t-shirt, and now you can see that the image is set. Now come to product gallery. So here we will add some more samples of the designs, and then click on add to gallery. Now in the product categories, I'll add a random category like custom t-shirt. Here you can add parent category if you want, and then we'll also give some product tags like custom apparels or something like DIY designs, and then click on add. As we have completed filling up all the details of the product, we'll click on publish. Now you can see that the product is published, and then we'll click on view product, and there we have it. We have successfully set up WooCommerce and added our very first product, the customized t-shirt. As you can see here on the live page, we have all the details of our product neatly displayed like product name, description, price and images. Now let's scroll down. Here you have more 3 tabs like description, where we can see the description we have added. In additional product, we can see the attributes and dimensions we have added, and in the reviews tab, we can see the reviews of our product. Thus, in this way, we can add many more products with their own details, making our store more versatile and ready for a variety of items. So if you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy selling. Bye.